And it's Travis for Melbourne Human Hair Extensions. Today I'm going to share with you my top 4 hair extensions aftercare tips. Now, as with all hair extensions, it's essential you visit your specialist every 5 to 7 weeks for maintenance. In the meantime, I'm going to share with you 4 key tips that will contribute to the longevity of your extensions. Try and wash your hair extensions no more than twice a week. This will not only save you time, but it allows the natural oils of your hair to coat the extensions, ensuring they stay nice and moist and do not dry out. After each wash, apply a combination of leave-in conditioner and a serum, ideally one with a thermal protector. Think of this as your sunblock for the hair. It will protect the cuticle and also create shine. Take the time to blow dry your hair extensions after each shampoo. This smooths out the cuticle, creating shine, and makes the hair feel incredibly soft. Avoid brushing wet hair. Allow the blow dryer and your fingers to separate the hair as it dries. Use a hairbrush only when the hair is over 80% dry. Always use all styling tools on a medium heat. Number 1 rule with extensions is to never go to bed with wet hair. Always take the time to tie your extensions in a loose plait before bed. Try sleeping on a satin or a silk pillowcase. This will prevent friction and help you avoid that morning hair. Follow these simple guidelines and your extensions will love you back. For more aftercare information, please visit our website